How to pair Apple Watch to new iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can pair our Apple Watch to our new iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether it is a new iPhone or old iPhone doesn't matter. You have to make sure that you set up your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to set it up, we've already made a tutorial on that. You can check them out in our channel. You can set up your new iPhone if you're doing for the first time. Now, when you turn on your Apple Watch, you can see this type of interface that says you to bring your Apple Watch near to your device, for which on this case you have to make sure that you go to your App Store and then download this Apple Watch application here. Once you download the Apple Watch app, here you can see start pairing, so you can tap on start pairing option, and then here you can tap on the start over option. Here you can see set up Apple Watch. You can set up for myself. Here it says hold Apple Watch up to the camera. Now on our Apple Watch, now we will see this type of interface where we'll get a circular rotating icon here, which we have to scan with our like this, and then once we scan it properly, we put them in the frame, our Apple Watch will get connected and paired to our new iPhone. But as I said, it doesn't matter whether you have an old iPhone or a new iPhone. All it matters is that make sure that you have set your iPhone as well, and then only you can connect it to your Apple Watch. And this way you should be able to connect your Apple Watch to new iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.